This is the eyeglass repair kit. It comes with 8 precision screwdrivers, as you can see here. And then it comes with 1 mini screwdriver. The handles on the precision screwdrivers are anti-slip, and this top part can rotate, making it very comfortable and effortless to use. It comes with all these little screws. There are 16 sizes of eyeglass screws. There are 12 pairs of nose pads. This will help you to meet any day replacement needs. They are neatly stored in this little box here and organized well. So these screws are made of stainless steel material, sweat and rust resistant. They ensure durability and prevent jamming or breakage. They help to maintain a clean appearance, and they do not leave stains on the frame or skin. All right, we're gonna use these to work on my prescription sunglasses and see how it works. Also comes with this magnet here, and it has this little pair of tweezers. There we go. It was really nice to have this eyeglass repair kit to work on these little sunglasses here. Makes it very convenient, very easy to use, and makes it easy to repair and to adjust and to replace parts very easily and very convenient.